Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Vibe with Archie. Today, we're discussing the world of timber construction, exploring the construction process, along with its advantages and disadvantages. Construction process, design and planning. Timber construction begins with meticulous design and planning. Architects and engineers create comprehensive blueprints and specifications for the structure. These plans encompass not only the overall design, but also structural details and safety considerations. Site preparation. Before the construction commences, thorough site preparation is essential. This step involves clearing the building area, leveling the ground, and ensuring proper drainage to prevent potential water-related issues that could compromise the foundation's stability. Foundation. A solid foundation is the bedrock of any structure. Timber construction may employ various foundation types, depending on the design and structural requirements. Common options include concrete footings, piers, or timber posts anchored securely into the ground. Framing. Timber framing constitutes the core structure of the building. This pivotal step involves the assembly of vertical posts, horizontal beams, and diagonal braces, which collectively provide structural integrity and support for the entire framework. Sheathing. After the frame is completed, the exterior sheathing is applied, typically constructed from materials like plywood or oriented strand board, OSB. Sheathing serves as a continuous surface that supports the siding. It also contributes to the structure's lateral stability. Roofing. The roof structure is of paramount importance in protecting the interior from the elements. Timber is commonly used for crafting roof trusses, rafters, and joists, providing the necessary framework for roof coverings, which may include shingles, metal panels, or other materials. Exterior and interior finishes. Timber's natural beauty makes it an excellent choice for both exterior siding and interior finishes. It adds a warm and inviting aesthetic to the structure, and its versatility allows for a range of design options. Insulation and utilities. To ensure energy efficiency and occupant comfort, insulation materials are carefully added to the walls and roof. Meanwhile, plumbing, electrical wiring, and HVAC systems are strategically integrated into the structure to provide essential services to the building. Windows and doors. Timber is often used to craft windows and doors. These components serve not only functional purposes, but also contribute to the overall look and feel of the building, enhancing its visual appeal. Final touches. The project is brought to completion with the installation of flooring, trim, and additional finishing touches, such as paint or stain. These elements are carefully selected to achieve the desired appearance and functionality of the structure. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Sustainability. Timber is a renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice. Sustainable harvesting practices ensure a continuous supply, promoting environmental responsibility. Versatility. Timber, despite its lightweight nature, offers robust strength and versatility, making it suitable for a wide array of construction applications. Insulation. Timber naturally provides insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy consumption, contributing to energy efficiency. Cost-effective. Timber construction can be cost-effective and efficient, often requiring less time and labor compared to other materials, which can translate to cost savings for builders and property owners. Disadvantages. Maintenance. Timber may necessitate regular maintenance to prevent issues like rot and insect damage, which, if left in check, can negatively impact the durability and longevity of the structure. Fire resistance. Timber is less inherently fire-resistant than some other construction materials. However, through appropriate treatments and fire-resistant coatings, its fire resistance can be enhanced to meet safety standards. Limited span. Timber may have inherent limitations in terms of span, which can affect the design and support structure required for larger and more expansive building projects. In conclusion, timber construction offers a structured and well-balanced process that combines sustainability, versatility, and thermal properties. However, it's essential to consider potential maintenance needs and fire resistance when opting for timber construction. Thank you for joining us today on Vibe with Archie. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to explore more in construction industry. Until next time, keep exploring the world of construction and design.